Hello friends, welcome. In this video, we are going to compare the old regime and the new regime. And there is no changes in the old regime, but in the new regime, the earlier regimes are like this 0 to 3 lakhs, 3 to 6 lakhs like that. But now it is updated to 0 to 4 lakhs, 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs to 12 lakhs and so on. So we are just going to have a quick review on comparing old regime and new regime. So in the old regime, the slabs are like this 0 to 2.5, 0% tax, 2.5 to 5, 5% tax, 5 to 10, 20% tax, 10 and above, 30% tax. And standard deduction is 50,000 remain unchanged, and the rebate 12,500 remain unchanged. And as per the new regime, standard deduction increased from 50,000 to 75,000, and the rebate is coming under 60,000 rupees up to the income of 12 lakhs. Before going to the actual calculation, just look at the screen and try to understand the concept. If any salaried person having income up to 5,50,000, so there is a standard deduction 50,000. So the balance net income will be 5 lakhs. On these 5 lakhs, if you check the slabs computation, out of 5 lakhs, 2.5 income fall under 0 slab, and the second 2.5 income falls under second slab. So on the 0 slab, 2,50,000, and 2.5 to 5 lakhs also 2,50,000. There is no income more than 5 lakhs. There is no income more than 10 lakhs. We have income up to 5 lakhs. So first 2.5 0%, second 2.5 is 5%. On first 2,50,000, the applicable slab is 5%, 0%, and the second 2,50,000, the applicable slab is 5%, and the taxes calculated was 12,500. And as per the old regime, you can claim the benefit of rebate if the net income is less than or equals to 5 lakhs. As our income is 5 lakhs, we can subtract minus 12,500 is rebate. So now it is 0. So for salaried employees up to income of 5,50,000, there is no tax in this way. For imagine you don't have salary income, but you have income from other sources. When you have income from other sources, for the income up to 5 lakhs, there will be no taxes. So out of 5 lakhs, see, when you have 5,50,000, there is a benefit of standard deduction 50,000. So however, there is no tax up to 5 lakhs as per this. So for salary person up to 5 lakhs 50,000, no taxes. For non-salaried person up to 5 lakhs, no taxes. And we come for new regime. In this new regime, for a salary person up to 12,75,000, no taxes. How? We'll check it. So 12,75,000 minus standard deduction 75,000. So the balance income is 12 lakhs. On this 12 lakhs, if we divide it into the slabs, so out of 12 lakhs, first 0 to 4 lakh. What is the income in between? 4 lakhs. What is income between 4 to 8 lakhs is again 4 lakhs. What is the income between 8 to 12 lakhs is again 4 lakhs. And we don't have any income more than 12 lakhs, more than 16, 20, 24. We have income up to 12 lakhs. Now the 12 lakhs divided into 3 slabs. And first 4 lakhs, the applicable tax rate is 0. On the second 4 lakhs, the applicable tax rate is 5%. On the third 4 lakh, the applicable tax is 10%. In that way, the total tax calculated 40,000 plus 20,000 is 60,000. But in this new regime, it is increased rebate from 12,500 to 60,000 up to the income of 12 lakhs or equals to less than 12 lakhs or up to 12 lakhs. So minus 60,000. So I can say 0. So what is the key benefits? Old regime with the deductions. How the calculation will be done in old regime? In the old regime, income from salary, income from house property, other sources, and then minus deductions. In the new regime, very 1 or 2 deductions are allowed, and the maximum deductions are allowed only in the old regime. So in the old regime with maximum deductions, new regime with 1 or 2 deductions. So if you have more deductions, old regime is good to you. if you have income up to 12 lakhs and if you don't have deductions, new regime is suitable to you. And for important thing, all salaried persons can switch from old regime to new regime every year. But for non-salaried persons, there will be only two options: to opt out new regime, to opt in new regime. Once in a future, if you opt in for new regime, you cannot opt out. For salaried persons, it is open every year. You can switch from old regime to new regime to old regime. But for non-salaried persons, only two chances. First chance to opt out new regime, and the second chance to opt in new regime. Once if you opt in new regime, in future you cannot opt out new regime. And one more thing, only if you file the returns before your income tax filing due date, you can go to old regime or new regime. Once the due date is crossed, you cannot file via old regime. You have to go only new regime. Keep this in mind.